Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay students, we have completed the reading and translation of chapter number 5, which is about road traffic signs. Today we will start exercise. First part is about vocabulary. Look up the meanings of the following words in dictionary and use these words in sentence. I'll just make the meanings clear for you and the sentence will be done by yourself. Okay students, safety. Safety means security और हिफाजत, बचाओ. ठीक है. Next one is carelessness. Carelessness means negligence and or कह सकते हैं बेएहतियाती, as we had discussed in reading. Minimize means reduced. Okay. यहाँ कम करना, कम करना. रिस्क मीन्स डेंजर, चांस टेकन और ख़तरा. ठीक है, रिस्क मतलब ख़तरा. क्यू मीन्स मेकिंग लाइन, कितार बनाना. Okay students, now use these words in your sentence by your own. I'll just make an example sentence for you, but you can change it if you want. Safety. Road signals and road traffic rules are for our safety. Carelessness is the cause of accident. Minimize. Careful behavior can minimize accidents. Risk. Disobeying traffic rules, you put lives in risk. Q. We must make Q. Okay students, but you can change the sentence if you want. Part B, find synonym and antonyms of the following words. First one is sense. Sense means awareness. So the synonym of this word is awareness. And the other word with similar meanings are consciousness. Antonym means opposite of the word sense. The opposite of this word is unawareness or unaware. Next one is serious. Serious means responsible, and the other one is sincere. Okay, and antonym is insignificant. You can use significant with it, and important is also a synonym of serious. Violate means disobey or break. Violence means breaking the rules and break. So the antonym of this word is obeying. Signals means traffic lights. Traffic light is a synonym or similar meaning containing word. Traffic lights. And the other word is sign. Signal means signs. And antonym is talking. It means that signal is a word without signal is a word that contain a meaning without words. It means that कि ये एक इशारा है. ठीक है, सिग्नल का मतलब इशारतन बात करना. एंड एंटोनिम ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज टॉकिंग. लास्ट वन इज डेवलप मीन्स improve. You can change the synonym of these words. And developing means progress. Antonym is destruction. Okay students, now question number 3. Make as many words as you can using the letters of the following words. You can change the order of these letters. You can also use any letter from more than once. The word is weather. The letters in the word weather are WEATHER. Examples. It's mean use these letters to make new words. First one is done for you. That is we. You they here these two letters are using. And next one is wet. WET. Now use these words and make any other word like eat, or you can change it if you want. So it is an activity for you. You can done it by yourself. Next one is reading for comprehension. Here are the answer questions, for some questions for you, and you have to answer these questions. As we have discussed in reading, you have to answer these questions by your own. It is an activity. I'll just answer you only once time. I will not mark it from the reading. What are the causes of traffic accidents? What are the causes of traffic accidents? As we have discussed, violation of traffic rules, carelessness, rash driving, and ignorance are the causes of road accidents. Okay, students, how can we avoid accidents? The answer is we can avoid accidents by obeying traffic rules and be careful while traveling or driving. What is the importance of traffic lights? Traffic lights control the traffic. Okay, the answer is traffic light control the traffic. Number 4. How is the traffic controlled in big cities? The answer is in big cities, traffic lights, it means signals, can control the traffic. In big cities, traffic lights or signals control the traffic. What should the driver do when there is a red light? As we had discussed, red light means stop. The answer is at red light the driver should stop. Okay, let's start part B. Take the correct option. Accidents are caused by crowded roads, traffic jams, or carelessness of people. Yes, the answer is carelessness of people, and rash driving is also the correct answer. But the AC part is correct. Number 2, do not walk on the road. If there is so many people, if there is a pavement, if there is a traffic jam, or if you are in hurry, the answer is if there is a pavement. Zebra crossing are for people to cross the road. Number 4, when the light turns yellow, you must stop and wait. You must move on. You must get ready without moving. Yes, the answer C is we must get ready without moving. Number 5, the number of accidents can be decreased if the people have traffic sense. Number 6, this signals in this symbol is the road sign of path for cyclist, pedestrian path, no parking, or no entry for cyclist. Yes, the answer is pedestrian path. Okay, students, today we have done two planners and two parts, vocabulary and reading for comprehension has been completed. I hope you can learn it easily and learn these questions by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.